welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I will never get tired of saying that, trust me. Alright, so I wanted to come back with a 2-week review on this hair. Yes, it's been 2 weeks, girl, and yes, it's the same hair. I just curled it. I wanted to do something really fun and playful. So yeah, let's get into this review. I'm coming to report back to you all, okay? So I've had no shedding with this hair, like no shedding. No shedding. I think the only shedding I really had was when I cut the ear tabs off, and of course, you know, you're cutting the lace, so of course hair is gonna come out. But other to that, I haven't had any shedding. I've been combing and no shedding at all, so yeah, that's pretty amazing. It holds curls pretty well. So this is my second time curling this hair. The first time I kind of did like flips, and this time I kind of did like, I want it to be like a beachy wave kind of thing going. And it's been holding curls pretty well. Some of my curls will flop out, especially toward the back, and all I have to do is just, you know, recurl it, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't take anything at all to curl the hair. It doesn't, like, you don't have to, I mean, and honestly, to be honest with you, I haven't used any like hold spray, so maybe that's my problem. But the hair is pretty bouncy, and I wanted to keep that the way it was, so I didn't want to put any hold spray, because if you, of course, you know, if you know anything about hold spray, you know it's just gonna weigh the hair down and kind of stiffen it up, and I didn't want that. I still wanted my, you know, I still wanted a movie bob. So parting room. Okay, sis, so this is the parting room up the top, and then at the sides you have this much parting space. Actually, is there more? This much parting space at the side, and this at the bottom. Actually, this is pretty cute. Like, I would actually do a halo braid over if I knew how to do that. That would be so cute. But yeah, same thing on the other side. So it's pretty good parting room for the cost of the wig. Honestly, like, I wasn't expecting much. Like, I was expecting like maybe parting space like from hair to hair, and that's what it was. But honestly, I'm really surprised. This wig is actually really dope, like really dope. So as far as the lace goes, the lace is pretty hard as compared to what I'm used to. It is a harder texture than what I'm used to. I'm used to a softer lace. But, I mean, it's still blended in pretty well. Like, it's still blended in pretty well. I mean, it works. The glue works really well. So, honestly, I mean, the hardness of the lace, it really doesn't bother me. But if that's a deal breaker for you, then I would not suggest this wig, because the lace is hard. But other than that, if you cut the ear tabs really well, and I really can't tell the difference other than when I'm actually putting the wig on. So that's the only difference I would say I've noticed from my higher quality wigs versus this wig. So versatility. Now with this wig, I don't know about anyone else, but I would actually wear this wig, like, if I had my way. I mean, I would just put it up, you know, like this, or I would bring these 2 tabs back and wear it like this. Like, there's a lot of versatility when it comes to this wig. I could put 2 ponytails. I mean, you can wear it straight, you can wear it curly, you can wear it with, you can do whatever you want with it. You can do, I would actually, if I had a small crimping iron, I would do some crimps in this short hair. I might actually buy one to do it, and I can probably do it with you in a video. So that's not a bad idea. I like crimps. Or maybe I could just do a braid out and see how that turns out. Like, you can do so much things with short hair, but for me, I just love curls. So of course, curling was like my first, like, you know, the first thing I wanted to do. I'm like, oh, I can curl this hair. Like, I wonder how it would look with curls. Like, that was my first, like, I want to curl. Like, I was so excited. I was so like stoked to curl it. So yes. If you watched my last video, you would know that I paid $45.99 for this wig on Amazon. This has been a really dope deal. Like, I have been paying a lot of money, hundreds of dollars for wigs. And the fact that I can find a wig, you know, that can be this like flawless, this human hair. I bought it in 8 inches. This wig is, but you can go up or down. I believe you can go down in length, so I believe you can do 6 inches, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure about that. However, I know you can do 12. I know you can do longer if you want it. I wanted really short hair, and that's what I got. I was even thinking about cutting it a little bit more shorter. Who knows? I'm not a wizard when it comes to cutting hair, so I'm not gonna pretend to be. So yeah, that's, I don't know yet, but that's something I may try in the future. So yes, I just wanted to come to you with an initial review on this hair. Please tell me in the comment section if you like it on me. I think it looks bomb on me. I think short hair actually fits my face and suits my face very well, but other people tell me they like curly hair on me, so I'm really, you know, I don't know. I like hair, period. Like, I just love hair. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, just let me know down in the comments what do you think about this hair. If you do decide to order it or buy it, girl, let me know. Like, let me know what your experience is with this hair. And also let other people know down below, because I don't want them to buy anything that, you know, maybe I got a good batch and someone else won't. So just let me know so it can stay consistent. Someone had a bad experience, then maybe someone else will buy the hair. But yeah, just let me know down below. Yeah, but I just think this hair is like super bomb. As you can see, my curls like dropped, and I did these curls yesterday, so these curls dropped from then. I mean, I love it. I love when the curls drop and it gives me like this sort of like, you know, school teacher vibe. Like if I had some glasses, I would play with it. But yes, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you're feeling about this hair.